Here you can see a very nice day-to-day one of the scene where sunset or sunrise, both the times sun appears in this color. Sometimes this sun going to be covered with some clouds. So this diagram, how we have just equated with our situation. So see here, there we have taken again a circle. Apart from the circle, there is a line. Here also there is a line. There also there is a line. That line, just 2 points on the circumference, it intersects or cuts and also extends on either side. Both the sides it extends. That's why this particular term is not just chord. It is not at all a chord. It is a secant. Secant is again a line. This is a line. Line, straight line, not line segment. Line you can produce to any length on either side. So that line passes through any 2 points on the circumference, can be treated as and extended externally. Either side it is possible to extend it. If this characteristic satisfied by any of the line with respect to the circle, can call it as secant. So natural situation, in this case we have taken a diagram of sun. Sun appears from long distance like a disc or a circle. But actually what shape it is? It is a 3D object. You all familiar. It is a spherical shape. But from long distance it appears like a circle or a disc. So because of that, how it appears, based on that this diagram has been taken. Actually it is 3D object, whereas what we talking about is 2D object. Okay, so don't be panic. Next, if I come to the next day-to-day life situation where a biscuit has been considered, and that biscuit has been divided into 2 parts, not equally. That also you can see. So this particular situation even occurs in our circle. This is also a circular shape. So what is that called? See once. There also we have taken a circle and also a chord. I think no need to specify again and again with the definition. Just any 2 points on the circumference it is joining, so it is called chord. So that chord, and also what about this portion called, even here as well as there, it is called arc. Arc of the circle. So that arc as well as chord, covered portion, both the sides, this as well as that, both are called segment. Definition, listen once again. Part of a circle or a region bounded by chord and an arc is called a segment. This segment again are of 2 types. One with major segment. See, most maximum portion has been occupied out of this. So that is major. And the other one, minor segment. Okay, so those 2. Then the definition, region between chord and either of the arc. Both the sides arc can be considered. That is called segment. In that 2 types can be seen. So next, another a very interesting, I think all of you ready to eat this itself. Yes, it is your favorite dish, cake. This cake has been, while cutting that particular cake in this particular manner, there is a specific geometrical term going to occur. What is that? Has already been written. What is that? It is, your guess is correct, as well as you can see, it is sector.